Hi and welcome to my channel Diced and Spiced. Today we are going to see Neivedhyam dishes for day 8 of Navarathri. A green peas sundal and a Channa Dal Halwa. Let's first see how to make the green peas sundal. In a hot pan, add a teaspoon of coconut oil, half a teaspoon of mustard, half a teaspoon of jeera, a few broken dry red chilies, curry leaves, saute it. Add a pinch or two of Asafoetida. Let's now add the cooked green peas. I have taken 1/3 of a cup of dry green peas, soaked it for 6 to 7 hours, cooked it for 2 whistles with salt. Saute it. I have taken half a tablespoon of Idly chili powder, that is Molagaipodi. This adds to the spiciness in the sundal. Saute it. Switch off the flame and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut. Our yummy green peas sundal is now ready. Let's see how to make the Channa Dal Halwa, that is the Kadalai Halwa. I have taken 1/3 of a cup of Channa Dal, that is Kadalai, washed it and soaked it for 2 to 3 hours. Drain the water completely, transfer it to a mixie jar and grind it to a coarse paste without any water. We will be using 1/4 cup of ghee for this halwa. Let's add it in parts. First add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee to a hot pan. Melt it and add the ground paste. Keep the flame in low to medium and cook the ground paste. It will feel sticky initially, but as it absorbs the ghee, it will start cooking. Press down the paste and ensure that it cooks evenly. The raw smell should completely go away. It will take around 8 to 10 minutes to get the paste completely cooked. Keep sauteing it patiently. Let's add another teaspoon of ghee now. Soon we can see that it starts to feel crumbly. It will lose the stickiness. Our aim is to get an even golden crumble. The Channa Dal will start releasing a nice aroma soon. You can see that it has started to crumble now. A few more minutes and it will be ready. It's got a beautiful golden yellow color. The crumble will have a nice sand-like consistency. It is now ready. Transfer it to a cup. For 1/3 of a cup of the Channa Dal, we will now add 1/3 of a cup of milk and 1/3 of a cup of water and let it boil. The Channa Dal, milk and water are in equal ratios. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of elaichi powder, a pinch or 2 of turmeric for a nice color, some saffron. Once the milk starts to boil, add the cooked Channa Dal powder. Mix it nicely. The Channa Dal will absorb the milk and water mixture very soon, but it will have a sticky feel. Saute it continuously as it has milk in the mixture. It might catch at the bottom. Ensure it cooks evenly. At one stage, it will just start leaving the pan. Now let us add the sugar. For 1/3 of a cup of Channa Dal, let's add an equal amount, that is 1/3 of a cup of sugar. Saute it and melt down the sugar. It will feel a bit watery. It will thicken soon. Add a teaspoon of ghee again. Keep sauteing it for around 5 to 7 minutes. It will come together nicely. It has started to leave the sides of the pan completely. This is the correct stage. I have some sliced badams and cashews here. Sprinkle around a tablespoon of the nuts. This will give an excellent crunchy feel. Our Channa Dal Halwa is now ready. Transfer this to a bowl. Glaze it with a teaspoon of ghee and garnish with some nuts and saffron. You can pack this halwa into small parcels like how Badam Halwa is usually packed. No one will guess this is actually Channa Dal Halwa. It's so flavorful, it has a great aroma from the ghee, Channa Dal, and it is really rich in taste. It is excellent and pocket friendly. Enjoy your Navarathri with the Devi's blessing and of course our yummy tasty dishes from Diced and Spiced. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and for more such content, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.